All right, so let's take a look at some of the examples that I mentioned previously on what this tool can do and the power it has. So the first one, we'll just quickly take a look at how it can write a speech, perhaps. So I'm just going to type in something really random that comes to my head right away. So let's say we want to write a motivational speech for a graduating class that is entering the workforce. So let's see what ChatGPT outputs for us. As you can see, it's gonna do its thing and provide you a great speech within the matter of a minute. And if you want to change the length of this, you can also tell it to do the same thing. So you can, in my prompt, I would just add at the end that I want this speech to be within 200 words or 300 words. So yeah, as you can see, it's still going, and it's actually giving us quite a good motivational speech for a graduating class entering workforce. Let's look at something else as well, something really random. So what I'm going to say is, since I'm drinking Pepsi right now, let's ask it to create some sort of a marketing caption for us. So give me a marketing caption for Pepsi. And there you go. Really simple and easy thing, but it does it for you, right? And this is exactly the power of this tool that I wanted to show you guys today. So these are a few examples, and in the next example, we'll actually take a look at how we can do more algebra, more mathematical equations and solve those stuff.